Yo, welcome my fellow DGens, it's your boy Hassan here, and today I'm going to be going over 3 projects that could potentially do well in this bear market. Let's dive right in. The first project I want to be going over is Fuji, and as you see here, it's very early. The Twitter page only has 2,700 followers, but looking at the artwork, it has that anime sort of meta slash vibe, and you can see the colors, it has that Doodles palette, more so the pastel colors. Looking at art and looking at the project is very early, like I said. Going on the artist's portfolio, you can see he's made multiple different art pieces. He's had 30,000 views on his page, so he definitely has some sort of following and fan base. But like I said, the project's very early, and I'd highly recommend to keep it on your radar. I also spoke with one of the founders, and he said that he wants to implement a whole ecosystem with this project, and he also said he wants to shake up the NFT space. And I asked about his prior NFT experience. He said that him and his team have worked on 3 different projects and they've done successfully, but I've asked which ones, but he could not disclose. Seeing someone who's very bullish on his own project and has that prior track record makes me very bullish on this project. The second project I want to be going over is Octoron Rift, and as you see here, the artwork is very unique. It is basically going to be a Genesis collection of 888, which is going to be a free mint, and a larger collection, as you see here, with 8,888. I was speaking with the founder. He said that he sees in the NFT space that both the buyer and the creator don't usually benefit. It's not mutual, it's more so one-sided. So he wants to make some sort of collection and have both sides benefit. And he also said that he wants to make a large brand from this and not just a collection that's been minted out and it's gone in the dust. So he definitely wants to create a brand and leave his imprint in the NFT space. And as you see here, these guys have a huge, they're stacked basically. Like one of the founders, he's worked on multiple different movies, and as you see here, they consist of Avatar, Man of Steel, and Rise of the Planet of the Apes. Founder, his name is Kajun. I was speaking with him, and he's also worked with Luma Studios, and they've worked on Spider-Man No Way Home and Eternals, 2 very big Marvel movies. And the other founder, like I said, he's also worked on Avatar. He's worked on Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Rise of the Planet of the Apes. Seeing these 2 stacked founders with a prior track record on multi-million-dollar movies is definitely bullish, and having a free mint and a low supply in this market is also bullish as well. So I definitely keep an eye on this project. The last project I want to be going over is Few, or Forgotten Ethereal Worlds. This has a Genesis collection of 345 pieces, and it is sitting at a 7.8 floor ETH price. The second collection is going to be a 3,345 collection, and it is going to be a land project. As you see here, their Genesis is mainly like an ecosystem. Obviously these have different backgrounds, and Takoa mentioned, he's one of the founders, Takoa mentioned that this is going to be a land project. And as you see here, these are the 3 founders, Takoa, Sukan, and Exceed. Takoa and Exceed are the project leads, and Sukan is the developer. So some perks of being in the Discord is the whitelist spots that the team is able to gather. They basically get whitelist for every project that you know and have heard of. Another thing is the alpha that they provide. Takoa is one of the best alpha callers in my opinion in this space. I first heard of him in Pixelmon, and since Pixelmon, he's made me a nice bag, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think it'll be like a grind project because people in there, like, they're very smart. One of the mods, he was a mod for Antonym as well, and he's also a team member in Toys, if you haven't heard of Toys. They're going to implement like a whole ecosystem, and they're going to partner up with Gajira and Llamaverse. I shouldn't be saying this, but you guys always get my alpha. It's going to be a land project. They're going to implement some sort of staking, and it's going to be on-chain, and he also said play to earn as well. And another thing, Takoa and his team are very good builders. They're very good communicators, so that's something to look forward to as well. But other than that, this project, in my opinion, will be one of the biggest they'll drop in a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment. I read and reply to all my comments, and I hope you have a wonderful day.